This round, the point values are double. Surveyed 100 people. Top 6 answers on the board. Name a South African that is world famous. D.
Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela. Did you hear what I said? Nelson Mandela.
It's his nickname.
That's his nickname?
Tata means father in Zulu.
Oh, father.
Yeah.
Oh.
And Madiba is his nickname.
Oh, Madiba is his nickname. Father, okay, because I turned around, I went.
He's the father of the nation, Steve.
I know that, but I didn't know that that was what y'all was calling him. I'm sorry, I missed that memo. I can't believe I'm over here. Ladies and gentlemen, the Rossouw family. Quentin, what do you do, man?
I'm a project manager for a digital company.
Okay, good. Well, Quentin, let's meet your family, man.
Right next to me, you've got my beautiful wife, Siobhan. Believe it or not, it says Siobhan there.
Yeah.
And the rest are the in-laws, so I'm the outlaw. You got my sister-in-law, Rochelle, mother-in-law, Dee, and baby brother, Kale.
Yeah. Dee, how you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's good. Right. Is it Kale?
Yeah, it is.
How you doing, man? What do you do?
I'm a IT technician.
IT technician?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How long have you been doing that?
Actually, it should be 5 months now. I know, short time.
Kale, you said, oh, actually, maybe 6, 7, 8 years? No. Oh, maybe 5 months now. All right, good. Well, Kale, name a South African that is world famous.
A.B. de Villiers.
A.B. de Villiers. Now, Quentin, I'm gonna spend a little time with y'all.
Yes?
Because we need to get these points. I want y'all to think about this, because, see, we're getting close to the last round. If I could just get some digits on this thing right here, yeah, we can walk out of here with a lot of money. Either way. Either way. So come on now. Let's make a run of it.
Give us all the points.
Name a South African that is world famous.
Charlie's Theron, like you'd call it.
Charles Theron!
Yes!
Now we walking around a little bit here. What's getting on? Okay, good.
You can do it.
Siobhan. This is your mother, Dee?
Yes.
Dee, let me talk to you, because you're responsible for this. When you were naming her,
Yes.
what made you spell it like that?
It's actually Irish.
Oh.
So the SR is a sh, and it's barn.
That, see, right there? See, now.
You've been schooled.
Being black, how would I know that? Siobhan,
Yes.
what do you do?
I'm a service advisor for a premium motor brand.
A premium motor brand.
Yes.
When you say motor, you mean like a vehicle car?
Yes, car, yes.
Oh, a premium one.
Premium, yes.
Top of the line.
Top of the line.
Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Only one strike. Name a South African that is world famous.
I would go with Trevor Noah.
My dog. That's my dude. I met him one time, man. I met Trevor at a fashion show in Paris. He came up to me and said, I've been a fan of yours for a long time, Mr. Harvey. You're my inspiration. I love you, sir. I said, you know something, man? Your ass is funny. Trevor Noah is a funny man, boy. Trevor Noah! Hey, Rochelle.
Hi.
What do you do?
I've got a few things I do, but Minister of Home Affairs would have to be my favorite term.
Minister of Home Affairs?
Yes.
Okay. Would that right be like as in domestic engineer?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
great. My wife has different titles, too.
There's a few.
Name a South African that is world famous.
Our dear Mr. President, Cyril Ramaphosa.
Cyril Ramaphosa. D, only one strike. Are you from Ireland originally?
No.
Okay.
Just my name was important.
Just your name was important. It meant a lot to her. All right, let's go. Name a South African that is world famous.
When it comes to mind, Hansie Cronje.
Hansie Cronje. All right, now, Kale, we've got 2 strikes. We got to be careful. The Alley sisters and mother can steal. They're good players. We need this one. Come on, Kale, now listen to me. So we need these points right here. Now, it's gonna be tough to get them last 2, but I just need 1 from you, brother. Name a South African that's world famous.
100% guaranteed Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. Elon Musk. Oh, man. I didn't know he was from South Africa.
We claim it. It was very young.
You said
He
his
left.
name, I went, he's famous. He's not from here, though.
He left
Yes,
very
he
young, but
is.
we'll claim it, Steve.
Oh, yeah, well, he's good. Only 1 answer left. You could clear the board, get all the points. It's gonna be a heck of a game. It's only 1 answer. Quentin, name a South African that's world famous.
You know we're the world champions currently, rugby world champions.
You talking about the Springboks? Huh? What? What?
Just like this.
And you dressed.
I got on Springbok colors.
Yes. Siya Kolisi.
Seal Khaleesi. Well, this is going to be interesting. I got 1 answer left. You can clear the board. And oh my goodness, you'll have a tremendous amount of points. Would make it very difficult for the other team to win. But if it's not there, Rossouw family will get all the points. Name a South African that is world famous.
Okay, Mr. Harvey, we're gonna go with Caster Semenya.
This is for a lot of points. Caster Semenya. Well, folks, this is the last round. Rossouw family, with no points on the board, you cannot win the game, but you can still play and take away lots of cash. You have an opportunity to still walk away with cash. So let's get it on. Give me Kale, give me Hadija. Folks, in this round, the points are triple. Surveyed 100 people. Top 5 answers on the board. Let's go. If you owned a pet chicken, what color would it be?
White.
White.
I'm so sorry, Theo.
Pass or play?
Yes, bring.
play.
Okay. If you owned a pet chicken, what color would it be? Boy, this is really hard.
Yeah, there's a chicken in the first place.
Brown, Mr. Harvey.
Brown. Mother. Yes, dear mother. You own the pet chicken. What color would it be?
It would have to be a black chicken.
Ain't no chicken like a black chicken.
There's only 3 colors a chicken comes in. There are only 3 colors.
I know. I was trying to figure out what you gonna say next, but this ought to be good. If you owned a pet chicken, what color would it be?
So I'm going with a chick because still a chicken is just small. So I'm gonna say yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, wowza.
There's really no other colors after that.
There are no other colors, but we need you to make up something. If you had a pet chicken, what color would it be?
I don't, people is probably gonna laugh now, but gray.
Gray.
I've never seen one, but
Crossbreed, white and black.
You've never seen a gray
A
chicken?
mixed race chicken.
She said a mixed race chicken. It's a mixed race chicken.
I'm sorry.
it's not right for us to
I actually grew up on a farm,
Wow.
and we had some great chickens.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're learning things today.
Yeah. No, I knew they were great. I know the other color, too. Yeah, I know. I can't tell you that.
Yes, we have to keep it fair. We have to keep it fair. You can't tell
Okay.
me.
Well, if you owned a pet chicken, what color would you be?
Well, Uncle Steve, because I like stripes and I like polka dots, I have to say black and white, or black/white.
Uncle Steve. Because I like stripes and I like polka dots. Well, what color is this damn chicken gonna be though? It's going to be stripes and polka dots. It's going to be.
No, you get
It's going to
chickens
be
that,
like a fabric.
The body is white and there's some like
Yes, I
black
heard you.
feathers.
I heard you. She said it's going to be black and white, which is gray, but it's a mixture. It's the black and white chicken. Yeah. Ain't but one answer left. Ain't gonna hurt you. You're gonna be playing for 75,000 Rand. Either way, so you can take a shot at it if you want to. I'm not sure if you're gonna get this one or not, but if you owned a pet chicken, what color would it be?
I'm gonna go with like a beige color, Steve.
Beige?
Yeah.
Beige! Family, I like y'all too, man. I really like y'all. Have you talked it over?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have a general consensus.
Yes.
This is for just money.
Yes.
We want you all to walk out of here with a nice amount of money. That'll be a good one. If you owned a pet chicken, what color would it be?
We decided on red, Steve.
The Red Rooster! Number 4. No pink, fam. Well, family, you don't go away empty-handed. You got to take away a year's worth of KFC to the value of 10,000 Rand. I hope you had a nice time today, family. Thank y'all very much. Hey, I need 2 of you. Let's go. We'll be right back. We're gonna play Fast Money for 75,000 Rand.